In this video, we're going to talk about how to swim in the ocean of internet digital products. In the ocean of digital products online, how do you know which ones will sell? It's simple, really. What problems do people need help with? It really is that simple. So instead of selling, be a problem solver. Think about it in that mindset. You're not selling, you're being a problem solver. So, how does this work exactly? People are daily typing into Google things that they think about 25 times a day, things that really bother them, things that need an answer. I'm sure if you stopped and thought about it, you can think about some issues in your life right now that you are either going to call the doctor about, make an appointment about, or research to find out a cure or a remedy for it. A prime example is a blister on your finger. That is something that you're going to think about a lot, maybe 25 times a day, every time you try to pick up something. So, what is the solution? A band aid. So, online, it's the same thing. People are looking for solutions to their problems. Now, here are some other problems to solve. Think about this. What if you wake up every day and your lips are constantly chapped and painful? Are you going to look for a solution for that? Absolutely, you are. What if you wake up every day, every time you put on your shoes, you walk outside, you go for a hike, you go to the mall, you go down the street, you go to the airport, and your feet are just killing you? You are going to either look for new shoes, orthotic shoes. You're going to look for a doctor to correct, the position of your toes. You are going to find, and you are definitely going to find a solution to that problem. What if your child won't sleep? Every night you go to bed 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, your child wakes up, crawls in bed with you, and they can't sleep. So you're up the rest of the night. That is a huge issue. It affects everybody in the household. So you're going to go online, you're going to start researching either doctors or sleep remedies to figure out how to get your child to sleep all night so you and your child can sleep at night. All of these things have been solved for thousands of years in the form of books, written books. We all have them. We all have probably a small library of books, but something's happened over the years. The books have gone from physical books to actually digital books, and that's what we call digital downloads. It is the age of digital downloads. It is exploding online. So, what if you could sit down and within a few minutes have an ebook written for you that you can put your name on that solves one of these people's problems? Would that not be valuable? Absolutely, it is. It's what I have been doing since 2013, except until recently, I had to write every word myself. Now there is a free website that will actually write it for you. And then you can take it, you can put it in your own words, you can add your personality, or you can just simply use it for a simple checklist. If you can solve someone else's problem with this simple little ebook and you can answer their questions, potentially, can't guarantee any income, but potentially, this is how people are making money. I made money with my ebooks online, my simple little checklist, my simple little how to do this, how to do that. I even did and uploaded an ebook to Amazon about what English bulldogs should and should not eat when I had an English bulldog because he would break out in these terrible rashes. And so it was an issue I thought about every day when he was scratching and bleeding. It was a painful issue. So after I did all this research, I thought, why not put it into the form of an ebook? But nowadays, it's even easier than that. There is actually a place where you can find all this information to answer people's problems, and it's on a free website. The other thing I thought would be so cool is to have a template or a pattern. When you find this information, you simply copy and paste it into this pattern, and you literally have an almost instant ebook. It's not instant, but it's pretty close. It's called a pattern, and it actually comes with, I have written an ebook because I do what I teach. You can actually create your own ebook easily with a guide and a template that I have provided for you. And with this guide, you can find this free website, and then you can take the information that you find out to solve the problem, and you can actually just plug it in to the template or the pattern. And boom, you have a PDF that you can upload and list to sell anywhere online. It's actually called, my ebook that I have written for you is called Dream Big, Create Your Own Digital Downloads Online Business. And yeah, that's what this is all about. So if you have always wanted to write an ebook, but you didn't know how to get started, click below, grab this free ebook, comes with the template to help you plug it in, and yeah, start your own digital downloadable online business today. If you have any questions, just feel free to email me, and then the link to this is below this video. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.